How to delete a playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video, I will show you the way as to how you can delete a playlist from your Spotify account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now, creating and deleting playlists on Spotify is very simple. First, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Spotify app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Spotify, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Spotify app, now I want you to go over and then simply launch it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is going to look like. In order to delete our playlist, just come to the Your Library page from the bottom right corner of the screen, and over here you'll be able to see all these options. Now first of all, go to the option called Playlist, which is at the very top of the screen. Once you go to the playlist, you'll be able to see a list of playlists you've created. In order to delete a playlist, just go ahead and then select that particular playlist, and you'll find all these options over here, and you just need to tap on the option called Delete Playlist button. As you do that, all of the songs within it is also going to be deleted and removed from that particular playlist. So as you can see the confirmation, just tap on the delete button. Repeat the process for any other playlist that you might want to delete. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then delete playlists on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.